Welcome back to Top 5 Tray. Today we're talking about the Logitech C922 Pro Stream webcam, a long-standing favorite among streamers and remote workers. It promises crisp full HD video, smooth frame rates, and plug-and-play convenience. But does it live up to the hype in 2025? Let's find out. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. Unboxing the C922 is a breeze. Just plug in the USB-A cable and you're ready to go. It comes with a flexible clip that attaches to virtually any monitor, plus a fold-out tripod for alternative mounting. The build feels solid yet lightweight, and the glass lens paired with dual microphones gives it a clean, professional look that blends into most setups with ease. When it comes to video quality, the C922 delivers crisp 1080p at 30 frames per second and smooth 720p at 60 FPS. Autofocus and light correction work well, especially in dimly lit environments, thanks to built-in adjustments that brighten the scene and reduce visual noise. The 78-degree field of view hits a nice balance, wide enough for most desk setups without being too fish-eyed. One of the standout features is software-enabled background removal, which is a nice step up from the older C920 model. It works decently for casual use, but don't expect studio-level precision. Glitches and choppy edges do show up. Through Logitech Capture or G-Hub, you can adjust everything from brightness and contrast to sharpness, white balance, and low light compensation, giving you more control over your appearance on stream or video calls. In the real world, the C922 performs admirably in good lighting, offering accurate colors and responsive autofocus. The low light correction is also surprisingly effective, but at 720p 60, you may notice some softness and noise due to the aggressive noise reduction. Without decent lighting, the image can start to look grainy or flat. A few users have also reported issues like flickering or resolution drops during game streaming or browser usage, which usually requires tweaking in the software settings to fix. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, you get reliable 1080p 30 and 720p 60 video, effective low light correction, quick autofocus and exposure adjustments, and plug-and-play convenience with an included tripod. On the downside, the 720p 60 mode can look a bit noisy and soft, the background removal feature can be glitchy, and the overall video quality drops without solid lighting. Plus, occasional flicker or resolution issues may pop up during gameplay streams unless settings are fine-tuned. So here's the verdict. The Logitech C922 Pro Stream remains a solid mid-tier webcam in 2025. Priced around $90 to $110, it's a dependable option for streamers, WFH professionals, and casual creators who want smooth video and solid performance without breaking the bank. Just make sure you've got decent lighting and take the time to dial in your settings in Logitech Capture or G-Hub to get the best experience. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely gonna be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.